Welcome to Learn Short and Typing with Vikas sir. Short and dictation transcription number 453, 90 word per minute. Dictation start within 10 seconds. Start. Sir, in August, when the food minister spoke on the food debate, he underlined the necessity for a clear demarcation between the functions of the Union Food Ministry and the food departments in the states. He said that he would confine as far as possible to the functions of the Union Ministry to discharge the responsibilities laid upon the ministry by the Constitution. Now, as far as I would read the Constitution, one of the most important responsibilities of the Union Food Ministry is that it should see that the price of food grains does not fluctuate violently from time to time and from place to place. It was also to see that within the resources available and within the food stocks available, the prices are stabilized as far as possible. In this particular function, the Union Food Ministry has so apparent so far not been successful. Pricing or fluctuating for no apparent reason from time to time and from place to place, and prices fluctuate in the deficit areas as well as in the surplus areas. Prices fluctuate during a period when we have a bumper crop as well as during a period when there is a deficit in production. So, we have not been able to evolve any formula or machinery whereby it would be possible to control prices. We are told, sir, the last year we had a bumper crop, but in spite of the bumper crop, what do we find? In spite of a bumper crop, prices continue to fluctuate, and it is matter for concern since 2011. Prices have a tendency, I am talking about food prices, to harden at a higher and higher levels. During scarcity periods, prices rise, come down a bit, shoot up again still further, and then stabilize at a higher level. And in that way, from year to year, the stabilized price is something higher than that of the previous year. This being the situation, it requires some consideration as to how we are going to meet that situation. I was trying very hard to hear what the food minister had to say, but I did not find a single suggestion in the entire speech about the manner in which the food ministry intended to tackle this problem. We have been told that the wholesale trading in food grains by the state and a means टू एन एंड। अगर आप इस वीडियो को देख रहे हैं, डिक्टेशन को सुन रहे हैं और लिख रहे हैं, तो इस वीडियो को लिखने के जैसे डिक्टेशन को लिखने के बाद आप ज़रूर टाइप कीजिए। टाइप आप नोट पैड में कीजिए, किसी भी आप सॉफ्टवेयर में मत कीजिए। जैसे आपका ऑनलाइन जैसे गूगल पे काफ़ी सारे सॉफ्टवेयर आ जाएंगे, उस सॉफ्टवेयर पे मत कीजिए। आप बिल्कुल मैनुअल चेक कीजिए एक एक, आपको मैं फुल स्टॉप कहाँ पे कैपिटल लेटर है, कहाँ पे आपकी स्पेलिंग मिस्टेक है। ओके, इससे आपको काफ़ी फ़र्क पड़ेगा। मैनुअल चेक कीजिए, वहाँ पे तो आपका उसमें सॉफ्टवेयर में चेक हुआ, लेकिन यहाँ पे आप मैनुअल चेक कीजिए, काफ़ी अच्छा रहेगा आपके लिए। ओके, थैंक यू वेरी मच आज के लिए आपकी ये